Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be trading using my VIP trading signals, okay? My free VIP trading signals. These are signals that many people have been using it, okay? They've been using it for long and it's paying, okay? So it doesn't matter whether you are new to trading, all right? Whether you're a total novice, okay? You can still do this, provided you can understand what I'm going to show you in this video. All right, so do well by following this video to the end. Okay, I'm not going to take much of your time, but this is basically what you will be doing. All right, so all you have to do is master this video, which is very simple, like ABC. Then join my Telegram group, okay, where I will show you how you can be part of this revolution, okay? Because this is what I call revolution, because basically once you are here, okay, once you have your hands on these signals, you'll be sure of making money online, okay? You'll be sure of retrieving all your lost monies that you have lost online. All right, so once you receive the trading signals, all right, from me, so this is how you're going to do. All right, you are going to use Metatrader 5 or Metatrader 4. They are all good. All right, so all you have to do is open the app. All right, so whatever currency pair that we are going to use, you will see it in the signal, okay, the signal sent. So you just choose the pair. Let's say for instance we use gold, okay? So gold is represented as XAU USD. All right, so the last one here is gold. But in case a currency pair is sent and you don't see it in the list, okay, you don't see it in the list, all you have to do, you can come add it by clicking on this plus sign. All right, and you now, if it is a crypto pair, once you open it, look at this, you can add it to your currency pairs, okay? If it is indices, you can click and add, okay? If it is metal like gold, all right, silver, you see XAG, I don't have it there, so I can equally add it by simply touching it to move to the list here. You can see it under here, XAG USD. This is for silver. All right, so let's say for instance I've sent for gold. All right, once you click on it, it will bring you to, it will open a page like this. All right, so you choose new order. All right, so once you choose new order, in the signal you are going to see something like this, SL and TP. All right, so always remember that SL is stop lost, okay, stop lost, while TP means take profit. All right, so all these imputations, what you put on the SL will be given to you, and what you put on the take profit to will be given to you. And the next thing is this line here at the top of the TP and SL, okay? These numbers you are seeing is -0.1, -0.01, -0.05, then plus, this is what we call number line in history or in mathematics, okay? So what you are going to do here is if you are using a capital below $100, okay, make sure you minus it to be 0.01. all right, lot size. All right, because if you take it higher, you lost higher amount of money, and if you win any trade, you are going to win a higher amount of what profit. So as a beginner, okay, leave it at 0.01, a beginner with small capital, okay? So as time goes on, as you grow your balance to certain amounts, we are going to be increasing this lot according to your balance, okay? So but for now, if you know you're having less than $100, make sure you leave it at, you correct it to 0.01. And this place called market execution, if you click it, you see varieties of options, but make sure it's on market execution. As simple as that. So according to the signals that will be sent, once you enter your stop loss, okay, for instance, you enter your stop loss and you enter your take profit, okay, from the signals is going to tell you whether to buy or sell. All right, whether to buy or sell. And again, I want you to know that you have to be very smart in entering all these figures. You have to be sure, okay, you've entered correct figures, okay, as in the signals. All right, please be sure you enter the exact figures I sent to you. All right, so with that, this is all you have to be doing. All right, all you have to be doing, this is all. The market, as you click sell according to the signals or buy according to the signals, all that is all. You just wait for your profit to roll in, okay? You don't have to come and close the market or do anything, okay? Because you have already directed with the stop loss and the take profit figures you have entered, okay? So with that all being said, all you have to do to get access to this free VIP signal is to join my new Telegram group, okay? And from there you'll be notified on what to do. All right, you'll be notified on what to do, and you will be recommended to the best broker that we all are going to be using, okay? Please do well to subscribe to my channel if this content is important to you, if you enjoy watching and listening to me. All right, encourage me by just liking this video and again subscribing to my channel, okay? And you can even go as far as sharing. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video to the end. See you on Telegram group. All right.